And that is not what you want to do. Yes, guys. Right about now, you're watching Thomas Twins TV. The Thomas Twins here, your boy Del, twin brother Trev. Today, guys, we're up in the Natural Progression Personal Training Studio. And this is a space where we train our clients and we train ourselves. We've got a brilliant video for you today on a tutorial flex, this one, Trev. Yeah, we're talking about the deadlift, the conventional, traditional deadlift. We're going to show you some pointers of how to improve your technique. We're also going to show you some accessories as well that we use when we go heavy with a deadlift. And we're just going to get straight into this. Yeah. Let me start off by showing you what plates we use. Now, we've got some bumper plates here. These are 2.5 kilograms in weight, plastic material, traditional bumper plates. When you compare that to a traditional 2.5 kg plate, you can see the different scale. This is used because it elevates the bar off the ground, so it's a much better look when you're deadlifting. We also use these plastic collars in the studio as well. They just clip shut like that, and it secures the plates on the bar. Especially on a deadlift, if you're deadlifting really, really heavy and you've got no clips on, if you're not pulling up evenly, the plates could slide off the end. That's the last thing you want. You put your back out properly doing that. Yeah. Okay, let's cover a setup around the bar. Let's show you what you don't do, first of all. Well, the thing is, I was going to talk about the footwear. At the moment, I'm wearing some kind of spongy trainers. Yeah. I haven't got any deadlifting shoes myself. Trev owns a pair, but hold fire, Trev. I'm just going to lose these, and for today's video, I'm going to be deadlifting in the socks. The surface is not slippery, it's not wooden floor or anything, so I'm okay. Don't watch the hole in the sock, that's a fashion statement. Trev's also got something else. Man's got a hole in his sock. Guys, I've got here, these are my deadlifting shoes. These are Adidas brand. When we deadlift, we want a flat base, so we'll set ourselves up properly. These are tapered because they're used for squats as well as deadlift. But these are solid piece of kit here. Okay, let's show you guys what we don't do when it comes to deadlifting. I'm going to start from ground zero. Let's start from here. What we don't do is this. You can see here, guys, straight away that the back is rounded. His legs are already pretty much fully stretched out. And if you lift the weight, what's going to happen is you're going to put a lot of tension here on your lower back. And that is not what you want to do. I'm getting away with this, guys, because this is a lightweight. Like Trev says, these are 2.5. So for me, I'm deadlifting in excess of 200 kg. But don't do that kind of form. We'll show you the right form, yeah? Yeah. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to step quite close to the bar so that your shins are almost, well, probably say 2 inches away from the bar. Sort of a fist space is a good look. Then you can adopt, if it's a lightweight, an overhand grip, what Del's got going on here. Now you want to sit back into it. In terms of angle of the back, we're looking to have no rounded shoulders. So just a quick check like that with the bar shows that everything is in alignment. And now we need to lift using the legs first. And drive up with the legs. Yeah, good stuff. I'm taking the slack out of the bar, guys, just taking the slack out. And then when it's tight, keeping the bar in close to the shins, we're up and away, pushing the hips through at the top. Yeah. So deadlifting is a compound exercise. So that means multi-muscle groups activated all at the same time. We're targeting the back, lower back. We're also targeting erector spinae. We're also targeting the legs as well, and some core thrown in the mix. So big compound movement. There is another variation of your grip as you start going heavier and heavier through the weights, and there are some accessories you can use to improve your grip strength. Something like this is what we use. I'm going to come a little bit close to the camera. I'm going to just hold it here. Guys, we're talking about liquid chalk. This is a liquid version. It comes in all different formats, really. You get the hard stuff that it goes everywhere, just dusty stuff. But this, I pour a little bit out into the hand. It is liquid when it comes out. Pea-sized dollop on the hand is necessary. Rub it together. and in a few seconds, guys, that will dry nice and chalky and increase your grip strength. I reckon you'll get an extra 10, maybe 15% extra grip strength by using the chalk. A lot of people in the climbing business, rock climbers and that, they use the chalk, power lifters, weightlifters, etc. It's all good stuff. And then if you start going heavier and you want to protect your back a little bit more, we have a weightlifting belt. Yeah, a weightlifting belt. These come in all different sizes. I think this might be a small or extra. Oh, it's a small, this one. A medium, XL, double XL, and different types of material they can be made with as well. This is a leather one. This one goes on like this. Series of holes here. I might come a little bit closer to the camera. You just look at the waist. And then literally, bang, we're locked in. Nice and tight. I feel comfortable. I feel more confident with this on as well, that I'm not going to aggravate the back in any way, shape or form. Okay, so with my accessories on, let's get into a deadlift. We'll do, this time we're going to go under and over grip. They'll demonstrate. Let's go for a few reps, show these guys the technique. That's it, sitting back into it, driving up with the legs. And then just putting this move on repeat. One more will do it. Okay. Yeah, so guys, compound moves like this are quite handy. If you're running low on time in the gym and you can't get your isolation movements in, your bicep curls, your tricep, and all your leg extensions and stuff like that, if you're moving more towards compound movements, like Trev said at the beginning, we're targeting more than one muscle group at the same time. So it's an effective way of getting a decent workout in, activating more muscle groups in a short space of time. Exercise is not only just for the guys, it's for everybody. Girls can do this, guys can do this. It's brilliant exercise. I'm not sure what else to say to you guys. You've seen the technique demonstrated by Del. You've seen the accessories. Hope you enjoyed this video. And if you find some value in it, please share the content. Subscribe to our channel. We're on the mission, innit, Del? We're on the mission, guys, for 1,000 subs. The end of the year is fast approaching. We need to quick, fast get a move on here. You guys can help us out big time. I want to say something else, Trev. I want to say, if these guys are deadlifting or new to deadlifting and they're going for 1 rep maxes or whatever, let's have some comments in the comment section. Let's know where you guys are with your deadlifts. And also let's know what other videos you want to see. Bench presses on the radar, isn't it, Trev? Yep. Yeah. And just before I sign off, like Del said in the beginning of the video, us guys, we're personal trainers. We have the studio over here in Hymes Park. We'll put the description details in the description below. If you feel that you need some help with your technique or you want to get involved in the personal training, then by all means, hit us guys up and we'll help you out for sure. Yeah. Other than that, guys, I've got other bits to do. So I'm going to duck out quickly. Peace. Stay safe.